In today's video tutorial, Clickbank, how to make money with affiliate marketing using Facebook groups. Now, if you do this correctly, you'll get all the traffic you need, and it's free. So we're going to go over to Clickbank. We're at Clickbank. Now, if you haven't got an account, just go over here to the right and sign up. I won't go through that with you. It's pretty straightforward. Click on the sign up, put in some details, and you'll get an account, unless you're from one of these countries that Clickbank won't accept affiliates from. If that's the case, just go over to a website called Digistore24. You can do this from there as well. But today I'm specifically making this video about Clickbank and how to make money with affiliate marketing using Facebook groups. Now, many people have used pages in the past. They don't work like they used to. They're pretty dormant. And Facebook is actually pushing people to use groups. So if Facebook is pushing people to use groups. That's what they want. That's where you're going to get the traffic. Now, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, just hit the red subscribe button below and the blue bell. That'll get you notified every time I post a new video. I make these videos pretty regularly on Clickbank, affiliate marketing and tutorials. All right, so just click on the red subscribe button and the blue bell and we'll get started. Now look, whilst this has worked for many people, I'm not promising that you will make $100 a day, you'll make $300 a day or in a week. And look, some people will make that, some people will make nothing. I don't know your work ethic, the time and effort you want to put into it, what your level of experience is or inexperience. But what I'm laying out for you is what has worked for me and many others. So take note. Now, so we're over here at Clickbank's marketplace, and as you can see, Clickbank's made it pretty easy for you. They've laid out all these categories here. Now, the three biggest categories are evergreen are called health, wealth, and relationships, and so they're the products that sell year round, month in, month out. So if you've got something that you're interested in, hobbies or maybe woodworking, some of these things that doesn't have to be hobbies, but something maybe cooking or even business. You might be interested in affiliate marketing, or let's just have a look at e-business and see what's there. Now, I know it's a pretty big category. Just a moment while that loads, and you can look through here. Actually, I just clicked on that again. Instead of going straight to the products, I wanted to show you the different subcategories. So look, you've got affiliate marketing, article marketing, auctions, banners, blog marketing, classified advertising, consulting, and so on, email marketing, e-sign strategies, e-commerce operations, surveys, video marketing. Now, you may not be in this, but have anything in there. If you've got nothing that comes to mind, don't worry, because you can always get content off the internet, rewrite it, model it, and make it your own. So we're going to choose a product. We're not going to go through choosing a product. I've done that many times. You can choose something that's of interest to you because it'll make it a little easier, maybe not, or choose something that's in demand. And to find what's in demand, have a look at the gravity. That'll just tell you the number of affiliates that have made at least one sale in the last 30 days. Choose a product, and now we're going to go over to Facebook groups specifically. Now, there are thousands of groups. This is just one group that I have. Now, when set up correctly, this is very powerful to get traffic and to be able to market your product. So there are a few things you need to do. We're going to head over to Facebook groups, and at the top of the page, this is where we create our group. Now, we go back to Clickbank. Now, we're not going, because we're not going to be joining other groups. We're going to create our own group. You've got more control over this. And people are wanting to join groups around these categories. Now, let's say, and look, I I probably wouldn't go for weight loss and some of those things which are really, really big, and it would take a while for you to be able to build up your group. Not saying it won't work, but you want to see some returns in the short term as well. So let's say we were going to do something around cooking. Now, and let's say we're going to do something on keto diet recipes. So we wouldn't create a Facebook group on keto diet recipes. What we would keep it general, and we might call it the one cooking, the 3 best tips for you to be able to lose weight without regular dieting. Something like that. You're going to have the keyword of the category in that. And just do some searches and see what other groups you come up with. When you do a search on Facebook, filter it by groups and just get an idea. And then there are a couple of other things just to make it more appealing. You can put a cover image in here. This is what we call here a cover image. Now, if you don't know how to do that, you could go over to a website called Canva, or you could go to a website called Canva's free. You can do it yourself. You don't need to know Photoshop. And there's some templates there, or you can go to Fiverr and fiverr.com, Fiverr, and you could pay someone $5, $10 to make one of these for you. And it just makes it more appealing. Now, with the group, you'd want to make it public for a start, so that people searching for your categories, for your for weight loss or whatever it was. I said not to use weight loss, but whatever your category is. And as you can see here, mine is aspiring affiliate marketing. That's really simple. Now, the other thing that's really, really important, you want to put a pinned post, and as you can see, and also have a call to action in that pinned post. You want to lay out what, some terms and conditions, what people can actually do, because the powerful thing is, like, you'll get, when you're putting good content in there, you'll get people that join, that find you. Then you'll get some of those people adding their friends and them adding their friends, and all of a sudden your group starts to grow. And as it starts to grow, Facebook promotes it even more, because, as I said in the beginning, Facebook is promoting groups. So I've just got some things laid out here to get started. Step 1, as you can see, I just tell, this is a little bit different, but I've got things in here. This is training on affiliate marketing. So now, don't get too concerned about the content just yet. In a moment, I'll cover that for you. But you'll get people adding their friends, adding other people, and them adding their friends. Now, what you do is you can just put in there under the rules and that no, they're not to post links, not to post affiliate links, and if they, that you have a no tolerance on that, and if they do, they'll be permanently banned. So things like that. Just, you might want to join a couple of groups in your niche, in your category yet, and just see how they've laid theirs out. So I've got free training in here in this, tell people what to do. As you can see, I've got some affiliate links here. So that's what's powerful. As you group starts to go, people buy from people they know, like, and trust, and you're not really selling them anything. People will buy, they'll become intrigued. You're providing with good information, so they start to click on your links. So let's cover content. Now, you can put a variety of content. You might even want to go do some lives, and that depends on what you've chosen. Facebook lives get a lot of attention. They get a lot of views. They get promoted really well. If you don't want to do it, that's fine too. So what you can do for content, you can have a look at, firstly, you'd have a look at the JV or affiliate page of the product that you're promoting. Now, they may give you some articles or things that you can use there. Do a Google search for your category, for your product, and you'll come up with many blogs, maybe some article websites as well. Go and have a look, read them, remodel them. You can copy, paste them, but don't copy and paste them and use them. Copy, paste them down so that you can rewrite them, because Google doesn't like duplicate content. So rewrite them so that it's your own. Post, and post regularly. Now, the other thing is, once your group starts to get going, other people are going to start posting things. They're going to start commenting. They're going to start asking questions, and you get the opportunity to become the authority. And other people will comment as well. But when you get to become the authority with that affiliate link there, people are naturally going to click on that to get more information. So Facebook groups are powerful. And as they grow, they become more powerful. And it becomes, sometimes you can't stop it growing. As it grows and becomes popular, Facebook promote it more. The people in your group invite their friends who invite their friends, and it can, quadruple overnight sometimes. Look, you could even share, if you've got a YouTube channel and you've got videos on that, you could even share some of your YouTube videos. You may even share some other YouTube videos, or you may share content and give people credit for it. Just mix up what you put in there, and then take a look at your analytics and see what's actually getting the most interaction, and then sort of focus on that. You might give some value posts, you might give some engagement posts, you might give some motivational posts, depending on what your category is. Mix it all up. As I say, you may even do a live. You may go live, and the great thing about them is Facebook notifies people, notifies your friends, and notifies other people that you're going to do a live and that you've gone live, and you can get people come on there, ask questions, comments, and they see you as the authority. Maybe you've already got a group, and if you have, just comment below in the comment section below this video. I'd love to know what it is. You can post a link to it if you want to, and don't spam. If you've got any comments, please feel free to leave them as well. If you've got questions, post them in the comment section as well. I always answer them. And if you've got value for this, just hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon, and you'll get notified every time I post a video. And I really want to thank and acknowledge the people that have subscribed and keep coming back, and the comments they leave about the value they get from these videos. Now, if you want some free software, or I want to know how you can get some free landing page software or sales funnel software, up here in the top left hand corner of the screen, you will see a thumbnail which says get free lifetime access to a product called Groove Pages. Now click on that, and then it'll take you to the video, and in the description of that video there'll be a link there. If you click on that link, it'll show you how to get free lifetime access to one of the quickest growing sales funnel builders available, and has its own built-in autoresponder. All right, I hope you've got value, and there's some other links in the description there if you want some more training. That's how you use Clickbank to make money with affiliate marketing using Facebook groups. I'll see you on the next video.